I'm Shubhranshu Ghosh, completed masters from Liverpool University, and my first master's was on material science and tech from Jadavpur University, and then I completed MSc on the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now I am working as a president, works in a manufacturing company. My total experience is 22 years. I start the Excel program. It is very important in industry or in academics also. When in industry, the marketing segment.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Sir, not visible slide.
I'm not audible.
No
Hello.
visible, sir.
Okay. Now the sound is okay.
I am getting fine. Some clarity. Someone is telling that voice is not audible. Someone is clarity issue. Can you check your mic once?
Hello.
I am getting clearly.
Am I audible now?
Others, please. Now, okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Visible.
The objective of this module is mainly twofold: to learn the basic and advanced functionalities of Excel, and second, to learn data manipulation and analysis to solve business problems using case studies. I will give one or two case studies on this subject. Mainly, data analysis, specifically, we have done this uh, now in the present age, the Python or SQL or etc. Java, we are using this program. But maximum professionals in industry, mainly sales, marketing, and manufacturing, Excel is used for this analysis. And Excel is very much easier to analyze the complicated, complex data. Maybe in any data analysis, any type of data analysis, what we are doing, first one, see one data first. This is one data. Just see the data. This is a sales data. What is order date, region, manager, salesman, item, unit price, and sales amount. Total amount, sales amount.
Can you zoom this sheet little bit?
True.
So that,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Just
yes.
this is my a sales data. Header is, what are the header name? Order date, region, manager. Manager means who sells this product, under whose supervision. Salesman. Salesman means Martha is the manager. His salesman is Alexander. He sells televisions. How much? 95. What is the unit price? That is sales amount. Here we can. What is the importance of data analysis? In this data, we can analyze in which region is the most effective for a definite product. Maybe television was more sellable in East Division. Television is more related with the Martha. Hence, Martha sells more television than any other product. In this way, we can analyze the efficiency of the manager, efficiency of the salesman, and which product we can select or target to sell at definite zone in the region, definite zone in the country. In some places, home theater is more important. In some places, desk is more important. Some places, video games is more important. With the different type of analysis, using different type of analyzing tool, we can evaluate the efficiency of manager, efficiency of supervisor, efficiency and most sellable product, most sellable unit of product, any product. Different type of question can be solved with the help of Excel using very limited number of formula and simple and in very simple way. That all that question can be solved by Python or Java using SQL, but that was more complicated than Excel. That's why Excel is more renowned, more usable in industry, mainly industry, specifically manufacturing, supply chain, marketing based, any type of industry. Now, how can I easily first we first do that. What is the first job for analysis? Our first job is sorting. Our first job is sorting. Then this is sorting, sort and filter. Then our job is conditioning format. And then pivot table. And VLOOKUP step. After, at last, we will do the analysis toolbar. The first, sorting, filtering. Second, conditioning formatting. Third, pivot table, using pivot table and VLOOKUP. And then, if necessary, we can use others analyzing tools. Okay. Now we know the sum formula. Using analysis, we need some formula. What type of formula? Just an example. This is function X, insert function, that is formula function. What formula is used mainly in data analysis? Different type of formula, financial formula, data and time, math, trigonometry, statistical, lookup, database, text, logical, I compatibility wave, etc. First, we need sum, average. If, how can I use? Before one table, I just written a arbitrary table, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before any calculation, or first I click on it at a cell and equal to means I sum, this is sum, and just enter 22 sum. Then another program, if column, using if column. If equal to if. Before written any formula, we must write equal to first, and then the you can take any notes, if, sum, average, mean, etc. etc. If first bracket 22, if this cell C7 cell is 22, we can write, this is logic, first logic, if C7 is 22, then we can write 1 or 2 or x, whatever it is. X. Since x is text, that's why inverted, it is residing between inverted. And otherwise it is showing 0. If C7 is 22, then x or otherwise 0. For 23, sorry, 0. If it is 23, if C7 is 22, x, otherwise 0. Since it is converted to 23, that's why if this cell is 0, showing 0. Okay. If function, the criteria first criteria, if C equal to C7 22, then value, true value, and then otherwise 0, otherwise others value. If it is not, then other value is.
Someone is asking how it comes 0. Please repeat again.
Okay. C7 is 22. It is logic. If C7 is 22, then it is X. If it is 23, 24, 21, 20, all 0 for all other values. Only at the 22, for the 22, it is X. Or anything, any, maybe any. Otherwise, it is 0. Clear? If it is, again it is 22, then it is again X. It is 28 it is 0. It is 21 it is 0. It is 18 it is 0. Only for 22 it is x. Clear? Then another function is max. That is maximum. This is your chart. What is the maximum number? 4, 5, 6, 7. Max 7 is maximum. Equal to max, double click. This is your range where you can find the maximum value, C6, C3 to C6. First bracket end and this second. 7 is the maximum. Minimum. How can I just equal to min? Take the range. This is 4. Average value. Equal to average, just the second column, average. Double click this, take the range, whole range, 5.5. Now, this is my sale data sheet, all of a company. We can, how much total unit were sold, just equal to sum. Double click on function sum, take the total range and just enter this value, 0.00. We can format this, format the right click this cell 212100 and right click, format cell this one, number, decimal place we convert to 0. Okay. This one is again sum. Double click the sum, range, and this one. Second one. This unit price, this is the unit price column. Television's unit price 111198, home theater unit price 500. The sum of this all unit price is has no meaning because all product is different. That's why we need here average, not sum. It is very important to understand the domain status. In sales marketing, we should know now where is important sum, where is important average, where is important median value, where is important count. This is very important. For mango selling, for any home theater selling, for any electronics goods selling, there is important count. But for cast iron selling, Steel selling, there is important kg. This is very important. Average. Average on this column. Then enter average of all product. We find 581 average value. Then we again third column, there is total sales amount, total amount. This is we need, there is we need the sum. In two ways we can do that. Equal to sum, this is the one way. Another way is click this cell, right click, copy, and again click this H45 cell and paste. Why paste? This is number, this is function. We need function because we copy the formula. That's why this one is important. If we select this 1, 2, 3 second value based option, see same number 2121, because we cannot copy the formula, but we need actually here the formula. That's why we click on this formula option. Okay. Now, how many product is here? How can I just first copy all the product item, then paste this, paste means direct paste. There is no need of 1, 2, 3, there is no need of a function, just paste the text. Now, there is television, home theater, television, cell phone. If we count the value equal to count, this formula is equal. Count. This is the range. And enter. Sorry. Sorry. Count A. $43. Why we take count A? For this case, if we count the number, we use just this one, count on 4. This range contains 4 numbers. But in this case, we use count A. What's the difference between count and counting? Count for text, counting text. A count is used for counting number, integer. Okay, that is the difference. But 43 number of, we find 43 number of item, but there is repetitions of many items repeated. Television. That's why first the 43 is a wrong number basically. That's why the repetitive. First we select this column. remove duplicate. We go data option and remove duplicate. Only four is television, home theater, cell phone, and video list. There is only four items. For workshop purpose, for teaching purpose, actually we use 44 rows data. But in the real scenario, that rows number may be 1 million, 10,000, 50,000, 2 million, 5 million. Here, manual counting is impossible. The number of, just think about it. For 1 million rows, how can we find manually the five number of items? It is not possible. Only in this process, we can find easily, within a second, we can find the number of items that was targetable. That was my company's product. Now, how much amount of television have been sold? How can I calculate this here from this? How can? If is now important. If sorry,
Tama, Beryl.
sorry. Just do it. Do it. Just here. Just see this. This number. If E2 is television, then unit is noted. Otherwise, 0. If I just same formula, copy this where function paste, 0. Why 0? There is home theater. Our condition was E3 is television. Their condition E3 is home theater. That's why it is 0. Okay. And just there and drag the cell. Then all are television. And then we can sum. $716 item television. There is 760. Okay. If home theater, just copy same home theater.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me. Excuse.
Sir, please repeat this formula.
If E2, E2 means, let's see this. Okay. E2 is television, E2 is home theater. Then we collect his associated point from F column, that is F2. If E2 is home theater, we collect the F2, otherwise 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And drag the second cell. See, here E3 is home theater and 50 is associated numbers. That's why that formula collect the 50 and drag second, third case, third row. Here E4 is television. E4, but our logic was E4 was home theater. That's why it is 0. Then you drag the point all to find 722 total number. Home theater is sold. Sold. 722. So we can, in this process, we can evaluate the total number of sale as per their product. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second. See this.
Why people are telling that the screen is not visible? I can see. If you are not seeing, I request you, you please rejoin again.
Just see this formula, very important formula. See, very interesting. In first case, we calculate the television not by manually, but it is more complicated. First, I write the if function here, and then individually I calculate the television, home theater, cell phone, etc., etc. But here, the another formula. If you use sum if, formula is sum if. Sum if this is Sum if what is it? Sum of those number where our logic is maintained. Sum if this column where all product are written, comma, first range, this range, we take this range. Second criteria, what is our criteria? Home theater, where home theater is written. Second criteria, sum of in this range. And then enter. Okay. Unit cell. I copy this cell. Units. Okay. Then drag this 278 cell phone, 10 desk, 395 video desk. That means most sellable product. Which one is sellable product? Home theater. Most least sellable product is desk. Okay. That is the main our sales result. In same way, how can I calculate which salesman is more effective, more efficient? First, we copy this and paste, and then hello.
Sir, screen is not visible.
First, copy the salesman list, and paste at another place. Then we remove the remove the duplicates. Okay. 32 duplicates value found and removed, 11 unique value remain. Only 11 supervisor, this 11 supervisor, okay. And same formula, previous formula, sum if, just copy this and function. So, what is the problem here? Problem. Just click on it. Let's see. Our column is shifting from 2 position to 7 position. That's why, because if we can fix the column, then one job is done. To fix the column, if we fix the column, what can I do? We use $sign before the E2. Just $sign. Just see. First dollar. Sorry. After E, another dollar. It is fixed. First dollar and another dollar. Same thing. If before if $1, after $1, and after another $1. So then it is fixed. Now copy this and function. Alexander showing 0. Why showing 0? Now you want to, because we select the wrong column. We select the wrong column. Alexander decide on D column. We select, since we copy this, we select the E column where product is given. That's a column is D, same number but D. D. This is the column. Okay. Now it's okay. 396.
Sir, can you please repeat why we use dollar?
Dollar fix your range. Dollar makes a column fixed. Otherwise, it can be changed. See, just see this point. 6, second column, this one, the sum of 3 to 6, 3 to 6. If same sum, I drag this, then this, study this formula. C4 to C7, just one cell is shifted down. See. Again we drag, another cell is shifted down, C5 to C8. First case was C3 to C6, second case C4 to C7, and third case C5 to C8. Just shift. Now, if we use dollar before C and after C and before after C, then we drag these. Then we drag these same 22 because there is no shifting. Same. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's why we use dollar. Now we drag this value. See this, Alexander 396, just compare. Okay, just check your range, clicking the cell and see the range. Okay, all are okay. Then Alexander is most efficient salesman. Alexander is most efficient salesman, Shelley, and then if you and Lister, Michael is a very poor efficient salesman. Okay. We can evaluate which product Alexander sold most. David sold most. Stephen sold most. Which product? It can be evaluated from this data. In same way, we can analyze the manager also. Which manager is more efficient? Which manager is a more efficient manager? Just we paste this and duplicate data, remove the duplicate. Okay, 4 manager, 39 duplicates value found, and remove 4 unique value remain. Then 4 manager, and same formula sum if, range. Sorry. First you're observing range. Second one is criteria, Martha. Third one is where some integer. Okay, this sum range. Okay, 704. 704. Now, you need to dollar sign. Otherwise, G53 the variable, because G53 is this variable. Only range is constant. Okay. 404 and drag from Martha to Douglas. We can find Douglas is the most least. Sorry, Timothy is more efficient manager. The Martha is most efficient manager. It is this calculation from the unit sales, not unit price or sales amount. The sales unit price may be the different. One. Unit, this is the sales value. Okay, sales value, sales unit. This is all sales unit, not the value. It can be different if we use the sales amount. It may be the different. Okay. This one. If we sales amount, if we consider the sales amount, then this, which one is which column? H column. Rest is all same. H column. If we sales amount, H column, just F replace with H. Cap H. F replace with cap H. Okay. 2,36,000. Just drag this. See. Who one is more efficient supervisor in respect to cost? Cycle. Alexander. 2, 3, maximum value. Which one is maximum value? Equal to maximum value 2367. Then Alexander is most efficient. Okay. And second one is, just see, Louis, second one. Okay. If Michael was least for the unit, in case of unit. And when we evaluate from the sales data, cost data, in this case also, my Diana is the most least case, 36,000. But Michael is the before last, 66,000. No, Karen is before last, 48,000. But in case of unit, Michael was least. Same, we can replace the if with the H. Just see this. Martha is the most efficient, 4,70,000, and then Herman, and then Proclus, and then Timothy. But in case of Unity, first one, and same. First one, Martha, Herman, Douglas, and Timothy. Okay. No change in both cases. Okay. We cannot consider still the region. Which region? Which product is maximum sold? Which region and which product? This is very important. Which region and which product? Here we use another. Say one thing must be reminded. This analysis can be done in different way. I try to show the maximum number of functions within 2 hours. I select on column. I just our main aim to find out the region where television is most sold, but home theater is mostly sold, or cell phone is mostly sold. That's now concurrent. This is another function, concurrent. Okay, now first. First, we select how much first we select the region. How many region? Just copy, paste, data, remove duplicate. Okay, just 3 zone, not a matter. Then we a main target equal to east concurrent List concurrent bits. Let's see, and then you understand what is the concurrent bits. Concurrent and television. See, list television, hyphen television. How can I concurrent this? Using the formula concurrent, V2 hyphen inverted Me2. Okay. And it, how can it split also? Is there another way? How can it split? How can it split? Just click this format as tables. No. Data. Text to column. Data. Data to text to column. Delimited. Hyphen is delimited. Just copy.
So can you please
Yes.
repeat this?
Hello. Hello.
So can you please repeat this formula?
Oh, please repeat the problem. Okay, okay. Is television, we concatenate the two words. How can we concatenate the two words? Any two words. Just example, Ram, any example, Ram or SHA Sham. If we concatenate this 2 point Ram Sham, then equal to concatenate. Concatenate is the formula. Function is it? Yes. We take first Ram, then comma. Just separate the Ram and Sham. We introduce the hyphen, inverted hyphen, underscore, this one, and then Sham. Just close the bracket, enter. It's the Ram Sham. Clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we don't mention the separator, then it will be together.
Yes, yes. If we don't mention the separator of V of separator, then it is Ram Sham. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then, okay. Again, if we see any this, if we split this, how can we split this? Just go to data, text to next. This is a bar delimiter. Bar is the delimiters, just others delimiters. And next, finish. That's series, Ramsay. Okay. Concatenate this and how can split this? Same way. Just go to if Ram hyphen, in case of hyphen, there is a say semicolon. How can I split? Data, text to column. There is delimiter is semicolon. Semicolon. This one. Okay. This one. Next. Finish. This Ram Sham. It is workable in many cases in data science, and concurrent and split to form table. In case of a you will find a CSV file or semicolon file. Then you need to convert this file to the table. In this case, this operation is important. CSV file, any semicolon, comma file. This operation is very important. Data to text to column. Okay. Again, we go to East. East television. It may be, it can be written simply. How? This can be equal to. East can be written as E. East can be written as E. Left. This function is important. East. Comma. Left. This function, this, and first alphabet. We need first alphabet. That is 1. E. Okay. If we need second alphabet to differentiate something, 2. EA. First and second. Both are. Okay. Then just television, same is television. In television, comma, 1, just enter T. Then you use the concurrent, same, concurrent, E, sorry, comma, T, and then T, and then enter. Sorry. Okay. See, ET. If we drag the just we drag the last point, says no, not no notation. Why? Because that is necessary. I get ET from M and N column. Since M and N column is empty, that's why O column is also found. Just drag both. C. ET, CH, CT, C means central, W means west, T means television, H means Herman, Timothy, and sorry. T, homemaker, H, cell phone, this D, V, video games. We found all type of combination. Now, this one, copy, paste. What are you doing? Just special and special. Just click on the values, not formulas, not formats, not comments, only values. If we click on the formula, then it is fine. We have not got TC, CT. I have found that dot is fixed. That is wrong notation. If we create the format notation, we just get the format of those cells, not the actual value. So that's why we just click on the value notation. Clear? Now, just sum if. Oh, sorry. First, duplicate. Remove the data, remove the duplicate. Remove the duplicate. Cancel. Okay. Done. Expand the selection, continue correct selection, remove duplicates. Okay. Okay. This is a unique. Is television central? Just this combination. Is television, is theater, is cell phone, is desk, is video games, and central central desk, central video. That's a 3 into 4, 12 item. How much item? Just range 13 items. Sorry, 13 items. This one count 30. Okay. Alphabetically we arrange this. How can I arrange the alphabetically? Filter option. We go to filter or sort. There is another place. This one, find sort and selection. Custom sort. Continue with current. Just column. Just C, C, D, T, C, T, C, V, E, C, E, D, W. All are differentiated. Okay. Now we can put the total sum. If we use the sum if function, we can calculate the which product sold at which place and how much amount, what numbers, all out. Okay. This is one of the main analyzing pattern. Okay. Now we go stop. Conditional formatting. Just home and just conditional formatting. Highlight the cells greater than top, bottom, top 10 data bars top 10, top 10%, bottom 10%. See on top 10%, just 10% light red, dark red. See, one, top 10%. You can see. Just click. Again, we go to conditional formatting. Just clear the rule. Now clear the previous rule. Now color scale. What is color scale? Just see. So highest green and lowest yellow. If we sorting, and see interesting features. If we filtering or sorting, smallest to largest, just before sorting, another work is done. Conditional formatting. Just new rules. More, where we found another condition for a click, color scale, more rule, format all cells based on their values, format only cells that contain, format only top or bottom rank, format only unique duplicate values, format at all cells based on their values, all cells contain that value, cells between point value 20, 30,000, 30,000 to 70,000. We want to see format, just bold, okay, okay. Can you see what we get? This one, bold, 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 all are 70,000. Clear? Say another data sheet, just we see sales amount, unit. We can, the sales amount, we need the sales amount. Use the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Greater than top 10%, top 10 item. Okay. Light red. You can change the yellow, light red text, red border. Which ones? Red text. Just see top 10 value. Okay. Then you conditional formatting, clear this rule. Then another formatting done. Data var. This one. See how interesting it is. Just data var. List sellable product. List, most sellable product. This one. This one. This one. Okay. Clear, Tarun? Sorry. Clear, Tarun. Okay. Then color cell. Another same, different type of color. Highest to lowest. Highest is green, and green to becoming fade and to yellow. Yellow is lowest. Then format on cell based on their values. This is already done. Format only cells that contain. If you need to know 70,000 to 80,000, which one product or which one supervisor and which one manager or which one region, then we can just put this value from this and okay. Format only top or bottom rank values, format only values that are above or below the average, format only unique and duplicate values. Use a formula which is the format. Okay, this one. Okay. Then say now, most important, another thing. Sort and select. Filter. We use the filter option. Just select this first row where header is given, order date, region, manager, salesman, item, units. We go to the select option, filter option, this one. If we want to know manager, which manager, Martha, just click this, and if you get the total Martha's record, if you want to know how much amount of television is sold by Martha, then just go to the television, clicking the television, and then go how much amount, this amount, 285 total, count sum, just bottom of the here, 285, okay, Martha. If we want to know home cell phone, how much cell phone, just how much, 160, sales amount, 36,000, okay, average 18,000, count two times, here, just, this is another analysis. This is also a data analysis technique. You can calculate the same result from different way. Just you click this filter sign, and I want to know the sale data of East region, total sales 3,21,000. We want to know the home theater at East region, 1,17,000. Okay, this is another sorting technique. Just sorry, click this all. Another sorting technique, sort and filter. Just click it. Custom sort. Expand the selection. Continue with current selection. Sales amount. Value. Sales amount. Previously we filtered as per sales amount. At levels. Just we sorting. First we sorting amount is sales manager. Yes, first manager. Value, whatever. Add another sorting manager and sales amount. Okay, then this. So stop loss. Sales manager, Harman. Okay. This one. Ascending, just ascending order. There is also ascending. This is called two-way filtering. It can be three-way also. If you use only this function, this filter function, the better you can use this filter function. The custom sort, and then we select our need of filtering. What is our requirement? Okay. Now we go to another technique, the pivot table. Select the full. Next, new worksheet or existing worksheet. Now we choose new worksheet. This one. Our primary focus is sales amount or unit, or maybe unit, but primary focus is sales amount. Secondary is unit. Value primary focus. Average sum 13 lakhs 5,675. Okay, and then salesman. just give it a row. Shows Alexander sales amount eto, David eto, Diana this is one, John 1,24,000. Okay. If we select manager, sorry, salesman first, salesman, okay, sorry, salesman. If we want to know the which salesman is sold, more sold the which item, then we can pick in the column. So, Alexander desktop sold this amount. Alexander cell phone sold this amount. Alexander television sold this amount. The grand total is this. Here, the row wise, we can expand the actual situation of the graph, actual efficiency of the supervisor. If this item is shifted from column to row, then we find this type of hello.
Yes.
This type of list. Alexander, cell phone, home, theater, video. If we multiple type salesman item region, you take a region, this very interesting. Cell phone, Alexander, at east, he sold 14,400. At west, no sale. For Alexander, that is west. For the case of cell phone, desk, central and west, no sale. Home theater, east, Alexander, 6,000, 62,000. In this way, we can analyze all the data through this pivot table. Pivot table gives a detailed information from this data sheet. Detailed information from this data sheet. Just again. Now we select the manager. Just see this. Right. We select the manager and salesman. This one. See. Douglas, John, Herman, Louis, Shelley, Signal, region, salesman. We just discussed the region point. Salesman and manager relation. Douglas. Manager Douglas, under John under Douglas, Karen under the Douglas, Michael under the Douglas. Okay. You can see also which supervisor is under the at which manager. Martha, manager Martha, Alexander, supervisor, Diana supervisor, and Steven supervisor. And Douglas, 1, 2, 3. Herman, 3. Louis, Shelley, and Seeger. Okay, you can find out only Timothy has 2 supervisors, David and Stephen. You can analyze the number of supervisors under which manager. Okay. Again, this is the way of data analysis. We use first, you know, the sorting technique, you know, the conditioning formatting, we know the variety of formulas through which we can analyze the data, and then we know the pivot table. Now most important thing, we know the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? Say, first list. This one. Alexander sold 236703. Shelley, this amount. If this list is the big list, there are 1,000 supervisor or 10,000 supervisor around the country, and 1,000 managers or 500 managers. How can we know easily what amount of Michael sold at this year? How can we know? Using the VLOOKUP. Say, I want to know Michael. So, it is a different way I can speak it. Just copy this, the more interesting. Yeah. Alexander salary of Alexander. Salary Alexander is 1 lakh. Shelley's just sold into -3 for 30%. 71,000. This is the salary of this supervisor. Okay. Now we want to write. Beside salary value beside the salesman. Now insert one column. Okay. Insert one column. You can show. Now using VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP lookup value first. Lookup value is this one. Alexander, right? We want to know the salary of Alexander. That's why lookup value is Alexander. Then table array from where we can collect the data. This one, this table, comma. Then in this column, which data is necessary? Column 2, 1, 2. Number 1 column is Alexander, Shelley, Louis. Number 2 column is salary column. That is column 2. Then we want exact match, false. Then select Alexander. From this column, we can collect the actual. Now we drag but drag it has some problem. That we need to use the $sign because this system, this structure, this data sheet, this data sheet is constant. That's why we use $. Yes, and enter. $. Okay. Then we drag because D2, this first part D2 means this one, Alexander or Shelley, and this D3, it is variable. This first part lookup value, this is variable, but second part is the collection list, it is constant. And we drag this value. We collect all, we fill up all the salaries. Salary. Okay. For big data sheet where millions of data are present, this is very cumbersome. And VLOOKUP is our main instrument to find out the value which we want, which we require for the analysis. The VLOOKUP is a very interesting function for understanding the micro level component data. After pivot table, VLOOKUP is very important. Other than that, for data analyzing, option files, option add in, Excel add in, analysis toolpack VBA, solver add in. This is very useful technique. Toolpack. Okay. Data analysis, data and data analysis. You find different type of statistical explanation technique, ANOVA two-factor, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, histogram, moving average, random regression, anything. In this workshop, within 2 hours, it is not possible to explain the statistical model, all statistical model. I want to try the most fundamental statistical analysis, and by 22 years experience from supervisor to head of the institution, president, I know today's course is how much important is today's course. Basically, in industry, in any industry, marketing, supply chain, or manufacturing, in any industry, today's discussed formula is workable for 95% time in your profession. This understanding, with this today's understanding, you can analyze. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, anyone wants to ask question? Some hands raised from Riaz Ahmed. You want to ask any questions, Riaz?
Okay. Today's understanding. Today's discussed. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
create link.
Sorry?
Sir,
don't
create
understand.
link.
हाँ
not there.
क्या बोल रहे हैं भैया और एक बार बोलो
No, no,
Sir is asking about certificate link.
tomorrow.
certificate link. Okay, just Saurabh tells the certificate all about thing. Still, okay. Today's understanding on this Excel formulation from sorting, from conditioning, formatting, sorting technique, find out selection technique, and pivot table, VLOOKUP, and different type of formula, sum if, average if, sum, average, concordate, left. Those formulas are maximally used in the data analysis technique in industry. Some advanced level, there is some different type of advanced level technique there. Just I express in simple way. Say, 6, 8, 2, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 4. Say it is a weight of a product. Weight of a product. Another one thing, it's very important. It should be if you find watched $5 list is given, any list you find the $5, $7, $7 or 8 arbitrary number. How can you separate the dollar from this integer? It is very important. It need to just you select the column and replace the find select system, replace this, replace what? Replace dollar replace dollar. We solve. We made 3 replacement, just close. See, 5, 7, 8. Otherwise, you cannot sum any, you cannot use any function, arithmetic function on this system. If you can't remove this dollar or gram or meter, and frequently you will find that type of column where unit is associated with the integer, and you at first you need to remove the unit from this, and using this home tab, find, select, and replace. Okay, this one. Second, what I am telling, I was telling you, 6, 8 is the number, weight of product, different type of weight of product. The distribution, we want to know the distribution of the weight, which we manufacture in our industry. 6 gram, 8 gram, 2 gram, 6 gram, 7 gram, 8 gram, the distribution. Go to data and data analysis back, and descriptive statistics, okay. This one, descriptive statistics. Input range, this is input range, this range, input range, new worksheet, okay. Okay. Let's choose at least statistical option. Okay, okay. And save. Data analysis. Okay. Something problem is this correlation. Correlation, okay. One. Okay, first time, statistical, descriptive statistical means, what is the means? One is average, we can find the average value first. And then standard deviation, and then count variation, coefficient of variation, and then first quartile, then second quartile, third quartile. This is a statistical unit. This is very first. Understanding the statistical nature of any product. For this case, we need understanding of data analysis technique. There is various type of technique. It is a more advanced level data analyzing technique. In another workshop, we must give to this program. Other than that, another program is a solver. Is a LP program, linear progression program. Very interesting. And in any industry, multiple product is manufactured at a different price level and different resources. How can optimize the resources with the production? This technique is solved in this solver program, solver module. And we must do this program within 1 month or 2 months. Next advanced level of technique. Today, I want to stop this workshop. Welcome to all from my and thank you very much. Thank you very much.